hilarious. Oh my god, they're so ridiculous. It's like a freaking mosh pit. I love the photo shoot. It's hilarious.
Specifically for this. We do our best to clean the dock, but there's a lot of them. They eat well. They do. And you can see the paddleboard racers coming in. They're sliding
Oh my gosh. Will it eat my vomit if I get seasick? Just kidding. I'm like, ooh, let me feed it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not feeding it. I'm okay. Nah, I'm good. As long as we're moving. Actually, this is really chill, though. Is that trash? Bibles. What is that? Oh my god. Oh, the little boss too. It's so dang cute. Okay. We're going to the Garibaldi. Right. Just follow him. Oh, is that kelp? Yeah. Oh, it's pretty clear, dude. This is good, pretty good viz. Yeah. Yeah. Is there? Yeah. This is great. I wonder if we'll see any other critters. I keep on seeing things that look like jellyfish. I'm not sure if they are. All right, we got some. I know, seriously. Huh? Yeah. No, seriously. This looks pretty good. Oh, is that a dead critter? That looks like a dead critter, yeah. Yeah, they're over here. The Garibaldi? Yeah. So there's one right here. Yeah, we see Garibaldi all the time. We don't need to see them. Unless these are sheephead though. But I don't think we're gonna see sheephead up here. But yeah. Hold on. Let's begin. Yeah, we could totally do that. It looks like a lily pad, yeah. Or a cabbage? It's lettuce. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, there's conglomeration.